Hello there. In this video, we're going to create an automation here on Monday, which will allow you to send a message or automated message over WhatsApp whenever something happens within your Monday workspace. Now, it's important to mention that you must have already integrated timelines with Monday, and we're going to be linking the article below so you can review that and do so. But if you have already integrated both services, then we can just proceed with this quick tutorial. So as you can see here, I'm within Monday, and I would like to create an automation to send a message in particular whenever something happens. In this case, we can click on Integrate, and then we can search for timelines. Here you will see that we have three different groups. We're going to use the WhatsApp Messages Timelines AI group, which contains a couple of templates that we have already created for you, but we're going to be using this one. So I can actually send an automated message whenever the item status, or in this case, the context status, changes to something in particular. We're going to click on Use Template, and you will see these particular fields are going to be available for you to change. So to get started, we're going to click on Status, which is the specific field that we're going to be working with, and we're going to select Done. Then we can click on Message, and it is here where you're going to be able to create this particular template message that you're going to be sending to your contacts. But you can also customize it a little bit by adding some variables that are found within your board. So I can create something like the item name. So I can call out or cite the contact's name. And I will add a status variable here. So we can inform the contact about that particular um, status that we would like to inform them about. So we can click on done, but remember you can always add more variables, and this can always vary depending on the specific variables that you have set in your board. But in this case, for me, this will be enough. I would like just to click on done, and then I'll proceed to select the WhatsApp account that I will be using as a sender. And then we select the phone number that's going to receive this message. In this case, the phone number will be found within the phone column, or the specific name that you have assigned to that particular column that catches or it captures the phone numbers from your contacts. Now we can click on Create Automation, and Monday will enable that for us right away. So I can just come here and select the status section. I can click on Done, and now Monday will inform that we have an automation that was running, but it was completed. So we can just check the chat on timelines, and we can confirm that that particular message that I have created has been sent. As you can see, here are the variables. This is the context name, and this is the status variable that I have inserted in that particular message that I created. You can see here that we are informing this was a Monday action. So you can confirm that this came from that CRM. But essentially, that's how you do it. Whenever you want to, for example, use any of the created templates that we have for you on Monday. Now, we have another option here, and is for you to create, uh, in this case, to send a message using a custom trigger. The way you do that is by clicking on Automate here, and then in this case, I will just proceed and delete this one because I won't be using it anymore. And you can click on Add Automation. This one will allow you to create your own automation process here. And we're going to select a specific trigger, a trigger that's different from the ones that we already offer within that section that we just checked. So I would like to inform the context whenever they are assigned to someone else within my workspace. So I will be using this one as a trigger. And the person in this case will be contained within the owner column that's found in my board. So whenever that changes, this will be triggered. And then I can just proceed and scroll down all the way down to the bottom and select WhatsApp Messages Timelines AI. Make sure to always select this one whenever you want to send automated messages. So the process will be kind of similar to what we saw before. We're going to create this new message template. So we're going to insert some variables here. And I would like to inform them about the new user that will be overtaking this particular project or case. I can just click done. And then we're going to select the WhatsApp account that's going to act as the sender. If you have more WhatsApp accounts in your workspace, you can always select them as well. Keep in mind that you can only select one WhatsApp account to act as the sender of said message. And the phone number, remember, it's always the phone column. We're going to click on Create Automation. And it's been already enabled for us thanks to Monday. We're going to close this section here. And as you can see here, the owner will be changed to my colleague here, basically. So dismiss. The automation was complete, as you can see here. So we can just go to the chat in question and we can refresh the page. And there you go. We are informing the contact that the case has been handled or changed to this particular user here. So that's how you actually create messages here and how you send automated messages from Monday. But keep in mind that you have different triggers. I would like just to mention that there are some triggers that may not work or may not be compatible with our app. And I will show you real quick how that looks like. For instance, we can click on Add Automation, and then we can select the specific trigger. So you can always use, for example, when the date arrives, like whenever a specific date arrives, you can always send that message. As you can see here, you can always scroll down, and you can confirm that it works with timelines because it is available here. However, if we select another particular trigger every time period, we cannot scroll down because we cannot see any particular WhatsApp app here, like Timeline's WhatsApp app in this case. So keep in mind that there are some triggers that may not be compatible with our app. That's normal. We consider that there are some triggers that are more important, like for example, whenever a date arrives, or if you want to update someone about something in particular that happened within Monday, you can always do that. But in any case, this is how you actually send automated messages via Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to customer support. We will be more than glad to help you out. Thanks a lot and have a good day.